So yesterday we talked about the getting a simple background photo, and we're gonna use the wand here, the magic wand, to select an area, and you'll see it's starting to take out the purple section. It's the places I've selected. So I'm going to start taking those out and trying to make sure you select the eraser too. So this is where I'm at right now. Haven't figured out how to take out with a brush, but like manually, but maybe some of you have already done that. I'm learning as I teach, so if you can tell me about that, please comment or let me know. So I'm gonna start using my magic wand again, and this time I'm gonna go over the couch area, and you'll notice there's some parts that it doesn't recognize, so I just keep going over that. So all the purple you'll see on that layer, I always want to check back on my layers to see what's happening. So you'll notice it's taking out what it finds in brown. So I'm going to do that all over until I get the background cleared from my subject or object. So here it is. And then I started using the lasso. The lasso is going to select, you just got to get used to using it. So with the lasso, you're going to select the areas, and kind of works like the magic wand, but with the lasso, you choose the area. So back to the wand here. Taking out areas, and whatever the wand doesn't select, I can just go back and lasso it. So here I'm going to start using the lasso again. I'm going to try to choose area. So I'm new using this lasso tool with the iPad, so again I'm learning as I teach. So here is me using the lasso tool to erase or select the areas that I want deleted. So once I've got all my background cleared, I want to go to the internet and save an image to my photos, and I'm going to choose. So here's me. I'm just checking to see what area. So you want to check back with your layers and check that you erased everything. Can't tell unless you check your layers. So here, just making sure that I got all the background super clear. Have this little area that needs to be clear. So checking in there, I don't see any white area, so I'm done with that part. So again, I'm gonna find an internet photo for my background that I like, that goes with my object or idea, and I'm gonna add it. So this is what I should have so far right now. Okay, so I'm back, and I just want to check what one layer is and what the other one is not. I'm gonna select this camera and select from my photos. So I'm gonna choose this one first, and I'm gonna say okay, extract line. So this is what the photo looks like, and I don't like how it doesn't cover the top. So I still haven't figured out how to resize the photo like we did in Photoshop. So I'm trying to move it, but it doesn't stretch. So it does leave cuts out the part that you only selected. So this time we're doing it this way, but yeah, we can't move it around. So I've gone ahead and picked a bigger photo from the internet that'll fit all over the subject photo. So I don't like this one. I'm not gonna keep that one. I'm gonna go back, so you can trash that layer, and you're gonna go back or trash the photo. I'm gonna select this one. It's a little bigger, so I really like this one. This one I'm gonna choose extract line, and this is what it does, and I don't like it, so I'm gonna take it out and put it back again. So pick the camera, choose from your photos, and right there. So this one should work better. So yes, I'm gonna press cancel when it asks me to extract line, and this is what I get. So I still have my selection lines there. In order to take those out, you're going to click on this one right here where it says remove selection. I'm clicking on it right now, that little box right there. And that's it. You should have your internet photo and your own photo that you took in your project. And thank you. Please comment with any questions if you have any, or comments. Thanks.